Welcome back, everyone. I'm Brandon with slingmods.com, and today we're happy to introduce our fully customizable status racing transmission tunnel covers for the Polaris Slingshot. These stylish transmission tunnel covers are not only customizable, but are backed with the foil heat shield material to help reduce cabin temperatures and keep you and your passenger riding in comfort. We've created a free online builder at slingmods.com that allows you to actually build your transmission covers on our website so you can see exactly what you're getting before you click that buy button. You'll be able to customize the fabric color, stitch color, and even trim color to give your Slingshot a show-stopping interior upgrade that you'll appreciate every time you get in and drive. Now that our custom covers have arrived, let's get started with the install process so you can bask in their glory. Start by aligning the mat so it's spaced evenly on all sides. Next, take a marking pen and mark all 4 holes, making sure you don't move the mat in the process. Then take your drill, and with a drill bit that is slightly smaller than the push pins, drill out the 4 dots you made with your marking pin. Finally, you can take your 4 push pins, then realign your mat back into position, and push those pins through the holes in the mat, and then into the holes you drilled into the panel. And you'll simply repeat the same process for the other side. Well, I hope that helped. Be sure to head over to slingmods.com to build your custom pair of transmission tunnel covers, and let us know in the comment section below just what custom options you chose for your build. Now don't forget to like and subscribe below to stay up to date with all the latest and greatest mods for the Polaris Slingshot. I'm Brandon signing out. Thanks for watching.